Kronek and Pisky Kernewek. Kronek, the Cornish Pisky. Kronek, o Pisky Kernewek. Kronek was a Cornish Pisky. Effa driga I onen in Cobren in Coswick Kemendir Restir. Effa gohelis ha perdrist drefa na jeffo lias coeth in Norvis. A thesea F bos guerezek mes put prys nepith o drog. All I huzeno o drog. Hagam Pisky zero a thirth ha bos seris auto. Pup daith effa a setha in maize waran scavel. Kronek, Ruth, gans digino gwyn. Ha causal or thweska. Idhin ha nep enivalis inigechen. He lived by himself and didn't mix with others. He tried to be helpful, but his spells were always bad and made other Piskies angry. Every day he sat outside on his toadstool and talked to the animals. Hwedhel, a Hwarians, ganzo orth celis a cafus, in misc redeno ha Hwedhel. Efo lowen in Hwedhel, o miras orth scavalo Kronek di Hwedhel, ha scoro gans milians a gawni, ha hanafo Pisky, Ruth ha melin. The hrens I scatho bien rag novella war an avon. Effa vinna bos colonek lower the vos ha gwelis a more, drefen ef the vinnas aneth. Mes put prys, ef a sether in maize war an scavel gronek ha miras orth trau in kerchen and Hwedhel. He was happy to play hide and seek with his animal friends in the woodlands, but he wanted to go on a boat down the river to have an adventure and see the sea. In Jaith, if there's a Kronek, rib and avon camel, o miras orth nadamach, as o terlemel a druz and doer, if a lamas will gain quilkin, hagath the zempis and quilkin a lamas in avon. And quilkin a doulis Kronek as a worthy gain in doer yain. Fros an avon o scorn ha cref, hag effa ver degis dres and caregi hamain, a fer Kronek canucius all a drow. One day he jumped on the back of a frog, which jumped in the river. He fell in the river and was washed away downstream. Efo per onek, glib, yain, hanire ef gothfos nervia, a thesa and door o resik per scorn, hag an avon a vertha bos moi efan a the zempis, gans mordon o bras o plohia. Kronek a vertulis in ban war tu hanalsio calis, effa dirus gans bom war an treth, gans tuis ola drodhodol. In fen, effa scramblus the dreth and sech o tiena hadiano, mes arta and door a thirth in Pisky war tu hageth, ni vinna ef bos glib na moi, atho effa gerthis the nalsio uchel. Enna effa boses ebrin carrot gallis hag effa virus orth and more. He was washed up on a sandy beach and walked up the beach to the high cliffs. A cerddus ef rip fors and else hag effa wellis fo vian. A thesa ef o miras orth teulder hag effa omthis evis a geeth and fo drefen I vos per squeeze. Effa a sethus war garrick hag a vespis a wosa a thesa ef in cosk. A the zempus, puptra o splan, hag effa igoras I lagas hag wellas pistria, o several other rago, tho. Effan jeffo barv here, gwellen ha liver a huzeno. He walked along the cliffs and fell asleep at the entrance to a small cave. Suddenly he saw a wizard with a book of spells. Dith da, Oliverus and Pisky. Oh, Hanno, you Mordrek, Puos da. Kronek a the Grenas. Oh, Hanno, you Kronek. Me a drig in Kemendir restir, mes a cothers fee in Avon pan warriors fee. As you henna Earthek, Oliverus Mordrek. Dus hag a sether rip and tan tom. Kronek a Suyas and Pistria a jeeven foe. If there's a Daris Bras, ha ribtho golo war and fos. And Pistria a Goris and Daris ha mosa gigans Kronek. And Pistria a rug the Gronik a sether in Cadafras rip and tan. I'm Mordrek, said the wizard. Who are you? Kronek followed the wizard into the cave and sat on a big chair by the fire. Bethesda in Weth Pisky Adel and Stevel rip and vos. Dufta, Vatlagenis, Oliverus and Pisky. Oh, Hanno, you monic. There's known these. Pandraf into the gaffos. The ma col pisk, baraguman, ha tezeno spiris ha te. Me avin caffos col ha bara marplek, Oliverus Kronek. Panenzi gofenes, ethesthons thee all a drow than fools, o kesgezo. And Pistria, Mordrek, a wovinus oath Kronek. Pilis o beren tha re rusta. Ha pilis dain re rusta gueres. Kronek Oliverus. Me a worry put death, dreffen nag, if you o huseno da. Raise you these gueres moi, Oliverus Mordrek. Kronek o perdrist hag a virus oath and lur. There was another Pisky there called Monik who gave him some food. The wizard asked Kronek if he helped people. He said that he couldn't because his spells were no good. Mia ambos gueris, moi, ma minta re gueris them, Oliverus Kronek. Mordric of Inwarthis. Lemon, raise you these koska, Methef. Ama nebers eviri anzo of inavi agagul. If eith a drift and groglin pools, ha disom this weathers. There's an Pisky Monik o Kochi and Lestri, hag in Bearspith, if there's a Kronek in Kusk, in Gada Fras, Rip and Tan. Panri Kronek difuna, if gavas ef in Iweli I honen. In Cobren, in Coswick, or Coles Restier. As you coint, Leverisef. Martesen, hen o Hoonrose. I promise to help more if you can help me, said Kronek, and he fell asleep. When he woke up, he was in his own bed. Perhaps it was a dream. Ef a shakyasi ben hag eith in maze, rag miris orth an avan, ha praderi a draw the buktra. Have this empis, ef a glue a slave. Gueris fi, marplek. Kronek a virus orth an gwithenio, esa in kechen, hag if there's a spiris meglis in gwithen. He askel o teris an ne ili he nija. He shook his head and went outside to look at the river and think. Suddenly he heard a fairy shouting for help. She was stuck in a tree with a broken wing. Kronek a gramblus in Hwedhel. Hag effa whereas and spirits that those in mans war and gwels. Whereas these, the leveris and spirits, ha here the grenas dreffen he the vos yain. So vi, Oliverus Kronek, hag effa Garthus war 2 hand Cobren hagigeri and Daras. Effa Vilius and Spirits in Palin, ha here Asethus war and Scavo, Rip and Forn Vian. Kronek a leveris, handraf inter the eva. Rosen a grosen hamel mar plek, a leveris and spiris. Kronek a rose than spiris duas tom. Pew osta a wovin a safe. Kronek scrambled up the tree and helped her down. He took her home for a warm drink. Oh, Hanno, you sterenik. Ne hiwa if there's a owl bras. O Hwedhel hag a tiras vi in gwithin. A lemon o askel uteris ha ni ala vi nidja. A leveris and spiris. Kronek a brederis a drodd and spiris ha I askel. If eith in maze, rag wheelis and gefnis and vras in he gwias kefnis. Blies gwith. If rei warisa gans kefnis and hai gwias kefnis. If a vinna kafos tam and gwias kefnis rag eun hei askel and spiris. And gefnis and vras o loan the re temic ai gwias kefnis. My hilly eun hei askel sterenik. My name is Sterenik, she said. My wing is broken and I can't fly. Kronek found a big spider's web to mend her wing. Gans rach, ef a rias nus olinik, gans nasweth a rusk, ha kelmi and askel in kempen. Sterenik o purlowen, ha Kronek o purlowen in weth. As the sempis, douthon Kronek as a lathus causa, haevesius aes planas. Ef a gluus and pistria mordrek o causal auto. Kronek, great fest in ta. Agol o causal arta. He neatly sewed the web to the wing to fix it. Suddenly he heard the wizard Mordrek say, "Clever, well done," and his hands tingled and glowed with special powers. Aso Kronek lowen, hag effa thonsius all a dro gan sterenek I goethus arbenic lemon, hag all an evin enivalis ha weskereno a leveris, Kronek, per gonek, dreffen ef the those ha bos Pisky arbenic lemon. Kronek ha sterenek a aviris is tefo lies aneth war bath, in termin the. Kronek was very happy and danced around with his special friend Sterenik. They decided to have many adventures together in the future. And therewith.